I am Emerjan Bondok, 26 years old, from Mexico, Pampanga.
Hello, Emerjan. I'm Brian. Just a few questions. Kanina naganap yung closed-door interview, tama? Alright. Ano ang pinakamahirap na naitanong sa'yo?
Siguro yung pinakamahirap na naitanong sa amin is yung kung maliban sa sarili mo, sino yung pwedeng manalo sa Mr. Pampanga. Ayun, syempre, it's a secret and hindi mo alam kung sasabihin mo ba. Pero yun, dahil kailangan nila ng sagot, kailangan mo sagutin. Kaya sinagot ko.
Kung may pinakamahirap, ano yung pinaka-nadalian ka naman na naitanong sa'yo kanina?
Siguro, ang pinaka-nadalian ako is yung unang question na say something about yourself. Siyempre, alam mo naman yung sarili mo, di ba? Kaya yun.
Okay, so last question na lang. Why should you win Mr. Pampanga 2024?
I should win Mr. Pampanga because I have the leadership and the confidence that Mr. Pampanga should have. So I can fully embody the title of Mr. Pampanga as well. And I believe I am the perfect embodiment of Kapampangan.
Please invite everybody manood sa release and time.
Okay. All right, everyone. Hello, everyone. I would like to invite you all to watch our costume portion on November 23 and, of course, our coronation night at Bren Zigyao on December 5.